What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It's Hugo here. Today let's talk about how to fix a shadow ban on Instagram in 2021. Whatever you're doing on Instagram, it's very important that we know what a shadow ban is. So first of all, a shadow ban is basically an extreme decrease in your engagement, your views, your followers. So a shadow ban could actually possibly doom the future of your Instagram account and stop you from growing forever, okay? So that's very important that we know what it does before we learn how to fix it. So 99% of all shadow ban on Instagram accounts are actually related to following or unfollowing too many people in a short amount of time. So it looks very spammy in Instagram's eyes, and they'll keep an eye on your account. And if you continue doing that, they'll actually action block you. And if you keep doing that after your action block has been lifted, you will eventually get a shadow ban. So that's what happened when I tried to grow my theme pages. The growth just kept plummeting down from there. So the first tip is basically change up your hashtags, guys. So if you're posting regularly and you're using hashtags, don't use the same 30 hashtags. Since the hashtag limit for every post is 30 hashtags, I try to use 30 every time to maximize the potential of getting reach. If one set of 30 hashtags are doing really well, getting you a lot of views, don't use the same set, okay? For me personally, I use 5 sets of hashtags or 5 sets of 30 hashtags, and I alternate between them between each post. So in that way, they get you views and they don't get you shadow banned or they don't get you action blocked. So let's move on to the second point, which is to change up your comments. So if you're commenting and replying to people in your posts, or even if you're commenting on other people's posts, don't do the same comment every time, okay? I've seen people try to grow their pages saying, please follow my page on every single comment that they comment on other people's posts, or even as replies in their own posts. Don't do that, because commenting the same sentence in every single comment in Instagram marks you as a spammy account, and Instagram will not like that, and it just decreases your reliability score. So don't use the same comment, change it up, and it should get better. So the third tip that I have is don't be so active in your DMs, all right? So don't be replying to people all the time. Don't be messaging people all the time. Don't be like messaging people every minute, every second. I know it's a very weird tip, but it actually works. So let's move on to the fourth tip. Don't message people within 1 day of following them. So let's say you're doing the follow for follow strategy like I have been doing to get to 2,000 followers. Don't message people that you follow within that time period of 1 day. I've known people who follow a lot of people and just send them the same piece of text. I want to sell you this program, 50% off. People who are selling stuff, Instagram hates that. Don't be a spammy account, okay? Instagram will put you on an action block and eventually even potentially give you a shadow ban. All right, so the next tip is to change your Instagram account's password, all right? So change your password in your account, and this does 2 things. This logs you out of any other apps that you might be using, like to track your followers, to track your unfollowers, to track who hasn't followed you back, because Instagram does not like those apps. It does not like your account to be affiliated with any of these apps. Sometimes by installing bots on your account, if you change your password, that will disable all the bots. So this actually leads me to my next point, which is disconnect all the bots that you're using. Stop using bots. It does not do anything good for your account. It might temporarily give you a boost of followers, likes, engagement, but in the long term, if you're playing the long game, which most people should be when building a brand or a business or a personal page. So the next tip I have is to log out and to log back into your account. So I want you guys to log out of your account if you have an action block or even a shadow ban, and just log back in maybe a week later. I know it sucks. 1 week without using your Instagram will suck, but this prevents you from DMing people, following people, because sometimes you can't control it, right? You want to just scroll pages and like posts, right? So just log out, maybe even uninstall the app, install it back after a week. This actually helps refresh your account, and actually makes it's kind of like giving your account a fresh start, right? So yeah, that's my next tip, guys. So my final tip is to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook account. This helps Instagram verify that you're an actual account, and that you're not actually like a bot or like a a spammy user, right? It actually proves to Instagram that you're an actual person, right? So this actually ups your reliability score. It helps prevent you from getting action blocked. And even if you do have a shadow ban, it helps you, helps raise the score of your reliability. This has worked for me, connecting to your Facebook. And also, honestly, combine all of the stuff that I've talked about, in the same thing, in the same time, right? Log out, connect to your Facebook account, don't reply to so many DMs, change up your hashtags, mix and match these different tips and strategies. And this should really help you in preventing a shadow ban or even get you out of a shadow ban. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys got some value out of this, please give this video a like or even consider subscribing. I make Instagram tips growth videos. I talk about how to make money online through dropshipping. I talk about social media growth, investing, saving money. So if you guys are into that stuff, consider subscribing. See you guys in the next video.